Increasing your activity levels is one of the toughest things to do. It requires extremely high willpower, strong motivation and the grit to keep going, even when every inch of your body is telling you no. It's an uphill battle, and you'll always have to fight against resistance to get closer and closer to your target weight, 1 pound at a time. A prime example is having to push yourself to go to the gym every single day for your cardio. But, what if you could burn all those calories right from home? It's entirely possible, all thanks to affordable treadmills. With a treadmill installed in the comfort of your own room, you can automatically cut down most of the resistance that's associated with getting ready for the gym or motivating yourself to run in the park. Throughout the day, you can simply jump on, press a button and get a quick cardio session in. But, that freedom only comes with a high-quality machine that's reliable and effective, which is a pretty rare find in today's market. Thankfully, we've already compiled a well-researched list of the top affordable treadmills in 2023 that are worth every penny. Number 1. Xterra Fitness Affordable Treadmill. The top spot on the list goes to the Xterra Fitness Affordable Treadmill. It's sturdily built out of alloy steel and has a 50-inch long surface for running and walking. It's roomy enough for big and small users, regardless of how big your stride is. It also has a 5-inch LED display to show you key performance metrics like distance, calories burned, the time elapsed, speed and pulse. It also shows the incline percentage to tell you which of the 3 available levels you're currently on. Extra soft cushion deck technology for maximum impact absorption keeps joints safe and workouts comfortable. For added convenience, an integrated book rack and accessory holder keep your reading material, remote control and anything else you want close by. We love that it's this list's fastest treadmill with a maximum speed rating of 10 miles per hour, which also makes it the best option on this list overall. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Affordable Treadmill. At number 2, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Affordable Treadmill. It's actually one of the best ones you can find online thanks to its relatively high weight capacity. It's also 60 inches in length, making it a big piece of equipment that can house a man of just about any size, structure, or build. Dual bottle holders keep your favorite beverage within arm's length. No need to stop to sip, simply reach down and grab. With that said, everything about the treadmill seems to be built, unlike last time. Thanks to the transfer underneath, this piece of equipment doesn't have to bind by just one corner of your house thanks to the wheels fitted underneath it. Aside from these promising features, it's designed to last you a long while. That's because it has an extraordinary warranty coverage, i.e. lifetime for the frame, 1 year for its motor, 90 days of in-home labor, as well as a 90-day deck warranty. Number 3. Wick Foldable Electric Treadmill. This folding treadmill was the only one we found at the under $100 price point and fits our criteria, and it's perfect for anyone who just wants to get moving. The large multifunctional LED display will visually show you time, speed, calorie, distance, step, monitoring your progress in real time and keeping your movement data at a glance. You can put your phone or cup to keep you entertained during your outwork. This foldable treadmill is very easy to fold down. What more, equipped with 2 moving wheels, it makes moving and storing become easier and convenient. You can choose between 3 incline level adjustments, reach speeds of up to 7.5 miles per hour and take advantage of an LED display to track your time, distance walked, calories burned and speed. Plus, the built-in wheels and foldability make this machine easy to move and store just about anywhere. Number 4. Affordable Treadmill. If you're looking for a challenge on your home treadmill, this option from is worth a closer look. With a speed rating of up to 8.1 miles per hour, it's a relatively fast machine at its price point. It can withstand a maximum of 300 pounds, so even if you're at your all-time high weight, feel free to run at max speed on this alloy steel machine at any times of the day. Provided multifunctional performance, lasting durability and high effectiveness, strives to create the best home fitness equipment to get better experiences and the most out of every workout. Thanks to its high speed rating and weight recommendation, it allows you to lose weight and make progress on your own terms, which is mostly what people look for when they're in the treadmill market. With 3 custom program options and a whopping 36 preset ones already loaded into the treadmill, you won't need the help of a trainer anytime soon. Number 5. Serene Life Affordable Treadmill. Lastly, we have the Serene Life Affordable Treadmill. At just 59 pounds of weight, it's the lightest option you can get for yourself to shed your extra pounds. Unlike all other options on this list, this one is built out of aluminum, giving it tons of durability without the weight tax. One of the treadmill's key features is its folding mechanism for more convenient storage. You can use any one of the 12 preset training modes, as well as utilize the option to customize your own manual program. You can adjust to your personal settings, and keep track of your home workouts, treadmill and fitness goals.